outside. And I take pride for today's session because believe me, all the webinars till date today are very close to me because each one has an inspiring story attached to it. Each one has a success behind it, which is not just inspiring the whole world outside, but me personally. But today's session, I bow head, to our esteemed speaker, to our person who has, somehow I'll say accepted our request to honor the stage of MENTORx. I have huge regard for Jolly Uncle. I'll be introducing him as Uncle, as he's known as Uncle to the world outside. Shri JPS Jolly, a motivational speaker and author, a renowned graphologist, a life coach, and I would add, author of 36 books till date. Ladies and gentlemen, 36 books. It is phenomena. It is not my age right now. And I assure you, this session gonna be phenomena for each and everyone who want to make something in society. Definitely you want to be an author and who is a book lover, who is into avid reader. But the golden words from Uncle are something which has motivated me and made me travel across from years to what I am today. And I adore that all the MENTORx community today would be hearing Jolly Uncle personally. I feel honored, and I would be, reading out his profile in front of you all here for you. So please bear with me for 2 minutes as we have, we give Lifetime Achievements Award in Filmfare, and we have deep respect. We give standing ovation to people. For me at MENTORx platform, this is the moment when I want to salute to all the efforts of Mr. Shri JPS Jolly. I pronounce him as Jolly Uncle, and let's see what he was and what he has taken his journey forward to. So here is his profile in front of you. Yes, so Mr. Jitender Pal Singh Jolly, popularly known as Jolly Uncle, is a motivational author of 36 books as of now. He has contributed more than 1,000 articles, stories in leading newspaper of India. He's a writer, graphologist, entrepreneur, motivational speaker. He's done popular radio and TV shows on different channels, highlighting perspective of positive life. His books has been on varied topics like success, children, life skills, so on and so forth. No one can ever imagine 25 years ago that he was the head of cargo clearance company. Suddenly, his wife, that's a personal debacle that Sir has shared with us, his wife was diagnosed with blood cancer at advanced stage. And that was a turning point of Jolly Uncle's life, which made him a writer, a world-renowned writer. Today, Jolly Uncle is a living example for positive thinking. He has given few years to count with remain confined on bed at home. He has suffered probably for some tough times too, but like everyone else, he is inspired. He has bounced back from the journey. And talking about him, he's the author of not just the self-books, but the master of art of writing. Beside this, his expert graphologist, he always blends positive thinking with his humor, which you'll be witnessing right now today. This is imbibing in daily life in order to create positivity and not take life so seriously. One life, make it happen. As Jolly Uncle always says, don't take life seriously, laugh and just take it as it is coming. He believes that each and every action bears fruit, and those born by constructive actions are always positive and joy-giving. He's widely known as the personality who can inspire a positive change in our behavior and direct their life towards happiness, success, and contentment. He says, you don't have to have power to stop sorrows coming towards you, but you should not fear the sorrows, as that is your power. He is not reluctant for any difficulties as a mountains in his life. However, He has shown the courage and adversity, and he has given this message all across to everyone who is attached to him. And not just me, everyone who is attached to Jolly Uncle can vouch for his adversity. So, over to you, Jolly Uncle, Shri JPS Jolly, for the word, and Jolly Uncle for his favorites, for his known. So, over to you, Jolly Uncle, for your words of wisdom. You can